Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Ridauddin bin Abdul Rahman. My metric number is TDLS22F1048. So today I will present about warehouse operation. Here is table of content. First, overview of warehouse safety. Next, safety management. Third, safety policy. Number 4, safety regulation. And last, hierarchy. Next, overview of warehouse safety. Warehouse safety is crucial for ensuring the well-being of employees and maintaining efficient operation. Number 1, fire safety. Fire extinguisher. Install the fire extinguisher at accessible location and train employees on their use. Next, emergency exit. Ensure exit are clearly marked and free of obstruction. Conduct regular fire drills. Last, detection system. Maintain fire detection and alarm system. Number 2, electrical safety. Regular inspection. Inspect electrical system and equipment regularly for damage or wear. Safe practice. Train employees on safe electrical practice, including the proper use of extension cord and the importance of keeping electrical panels clear. Lastly, manual handling and ergonomic. Lifting technique. Train employees on proper lifting technique to avoid injuries. Use mechanical aids where possible. Ergonomic design. Design workstation to minimize repetitive strain and over-exertion. Hierarchy SOP. The three components that make the hierarchy are hazard identification, HI, risk assessment, RA, and risk control, RC. These aspects are the foundation of occupational safety and health, OSH, and help the organisation achieve its goals. Moreover, hierarchy is mandated by OSHA and regulatory requirement. Hierarchy explanation. HI for hazard identification is recognizing items or materials which are potential threat that may cause injury and or harm to people. RA is risk assessment, is the ability to analyze the possibilities of a person getting harmed or injured when exposed to the hazard and evaluate how low or high the damage would be. And RC for measures or action taken to eliminate the risk or minimize the risk of the person exposed to the hazard. Next, safety management. Safety management is typically described as putting into practice a collection of guidelines, procedures, protocols, and safety guides to avoid mishaps, harm, and other unfavorable outcomes that might arise from utilizing a product or service. Next, element in safety management system. Number 1, safety policy. Number 2, safety risk management. Number 3, safety assurance. Number 4, safety promotion. Safety policy. A safety policy is a set of plans and strategies aimed at achieving specific safety outcomes. It is an organization's written statement detailing its commitment to protecting the health and safety of its employees and the surrounding community. It will also detail the measures the company will take to ensure that protection. So there is it must have safety policies. Number 1, incident reporting policies. Number 2, drug and alcohol policy. Number 3, distracted driving policy. Number 4, defensive driving agreement. Number 5, seatbelt policy. Number 6, PPE policy. Number 7, lockout or tag out procedures. And lastly, transitional duty policy. Safety regulation. Every workplace has safety regulations in place to protect workers and the business. Regulation of this kind can reduce risk and assist prevent accident, which promotes worker productivity and well-being. Understanding the purpose of safety regulation and how to abide by them will help shield you and your co-workers from potential workplace accident. So here are some example of situation that can happen in a workplace. Situation 1, messy office. Situation 2, messy wire and hoses. Situation 3, workplace isn't ergonomic for worker. And here are some examples of hierarchy form. Lastly, conclusion and recommendation. The level of potential risk and hazard in our employment is undeniable. As a result, it is our duty to make sure that our workplace is less dangerous and safer than it should be. Although the completely safe workplace is unachievable, we can minimize the danger as much as we can. As co-workers, we have an obligation to make sure that our workplace is safe. If we spot any potential hazard, we must alert the authorities to make sure that our workplace is safe. It is advised that the authorities perform an on-hire check on a regular basis. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.